Damon Rodriguez here. Damon Rodriguez. I'd like to be one of the bailiffs parading one of the major actors down the hallway. I've I'm new to the industry. I've been a day player on several occasions and been an extra a whole lot. Most recently and notably, anyway, on Marvelous Miss Maisel and Succession. That was filmed in Manhattan. That was an exciting venture for my mate and myself. Uh, Normally we go as a couple, and it's our new hobby since retirement. Uh, I'm glad you're filming in Orlando. Put us in proximity, and as new as we are to the industry, about a year or so, uh, we've been going where we're called to, and we're on time, we're prompt, we're professional, uh, and we're, we train up pretty easy, so because we're anxious and excited about being in the industry. So, if you have any doubts, contact me. I'll give you any information that you need to further this effort. So, good luck in yours in any event.